HVAC systems can be costly, which is why we always recommend a maintenance plan to protect that investment. And keeping your home's HVAC system in proper working order can reduce expensive problems in the future. Here are a few things regular maintenance can address. Regularly changing the filters is the main thing you should do to extend the life of an HVAC system. Dirty coils can significantly reduce the efficiency of your unit. Regular maintenance will ensure they are cleaned properly. If your HVAC system runs constantly or your thermostat is malfunctioning, our technicians can assess and address the issue. Regular maintenance can also catch problems caused by everyday wear and tear. Clogged drain pipes or a malfunctioning condensation pump may cause leaks, but maintenance can address this before it becomes a larger problem. A well-performing HVAC system is essential for a comfortable home, and you can help prevent malfunctions by scheduling regular maintenance. For more information on any of these common problems or our maintenance plan, be sure to visit conditionedairsolutions.com.